So we have finished the chapter number 10. Now the next lesson, 11th chapter, the chapter 11, Bulbul Chidiya. Part 11, Bulbul Chidiya. Chidiya, you already know the meaning. Chidiya means bird. What do you mean by Bulbul then? Bulbul, the nightingale bird. Bulbul is the nightingale bird. Clear? So, by the chapter's name itself, you would have understood it is regarding the chapter. The chapter is regarding the nightingale bird, obviously, isn't it? Now, so when the topic is regarding the bird, so let me ask as one simple question. We have seen lots of birds, isn't it? Different type of birds we have seen. Where do the birds build their nest? That also we know, maybe up of the tree, the branches, isn't it? We have seen their lifestyle, that is they morning they come, the evening time they go, they will not be there at the night time. We all know regarding that, isn't it? Regarding the details about the birds. So here the detail, it is said about the Bulbul Chidiya, the nightingale bird. So let's see what is said about that bird. So start. पाठ 11 बुलबुल चिड़िया। एक बार मैं अपनी दोस्त नैना के साथ खेल रही थी। सो वन डे with my friend Naina I was playing with my friend Naina one day। तभी जोर से चीं चीं की आवाज आई। सो सडनली the voice came, ching ching, the voice came. What voice? Ching ching, that voice came suddenly. जिसे सुनते ही नैना बोली, मीना क्या तुमने बुलबुल चिड़िया देखी है? So after hearing that sound itself, what sound? Ching ching sound. नैना बोली, नैना asked, what? मीना क्या तुमने बुलबुल चिड़िया देखी है? मीना, have you seen the बुलबुल चिड़िया, the nightingale bird? Who is asking? Naina is asking मीना that have you seen the nightingale bird? चिड़िया तो बहुत देखी है। So she said the reply. What did she say? हाँ, I have seen lots of birds, लेकिन बुलबुल चिड़िया कौन सी होती है इसकी मुझे पहचान नहीं। But she said that, but I don't know regarding the nightingale bird, how it is. I don't know, even I don't know how to identify that bird also. Who said? मीना said to नैना, आओ आज मैं तुम्हें बुलबुल चिड़िया से मिलवाती हूँ। So Naina said that, come on, I'll make you the meeting with the Bulbul Chidiya. I'll show you that Bulbul Chidiya. I'll show you that nightingale bird. ये कहते हुए नैना मुझे बालकनी में ले गई। After saying that, Naina took Meena into the balcony. वहाँ एक चिड़िया दाना चुग रही थी। So there one bird was eating the grain. उसे देखते हुए नैना बोली, ये रही बुलबुल चिड़िया। Showing that, Naina said that, pinpointing that bird, Naina said that, see, that is the nightingale bird, बुलबुल चिड़िया। नैना, तुम्हें कैसे पता कि यह बुलबुल चिड़िया है? So Meena asked Naina, how do you know that it is the nightingale bird? How did you identify that? मीना, बुलबुल चिड़िया की पहचान करना बहुत ही आसान है। So Naina said that, Meena, it is very easy to identify the बुलबुल चिड़िया। बुलबुल बहुत तेज आवाज में बोलती है। बुलबुल, the nightingale always have the high voice, loud voice. जैसे अभी इतनी तेजी चींची बोल रही थी। That is just now you heard the voice चींची. It was very loud voice. The same way the bulbul bird, the nightingale bird is having loud voice. यदि इसकी पूंछ के नीचे वाली जगह लाल हो तो समझ लो कि वह बुलबुल है। And also one thing she added to that. What did she say? On the tail of that nightingale, if the tail is red in color, then understand that it is the bulbul, it is the nightingale. इसका शरीर भूरा और सिर का रंग काला होता है। And what else she said? इसका शरीर भूरा, the body part is brown in color. Bhura means brown in color. और सिर का रंग काला होता है and the color of the head will be black. So that are the things that to identify the nightingale. What is the first one? It is having loud voice. What is the second one? The tail will be red in color. What is the third one that she said? The body part will be brown in color. What is the last one that did she say? The head part of the nightingale bird will be black in color. So that is the way to identify the nightingale bird. So clear children? Now page number 61. तुमने ध्यान दिया कि बुलबुल हमें देखकर बिल्कुल भी डर नहीं रही. And also, did you see that? Did you pay attention that the nightingale saw us, but still it didn't have that fear. यह भी बुलबुल की एक पहचान है. This is the way to identify one of the way to identify the nightingale, that it doesn't have the fear if he sees any of the people. एक बुलबुल चिड़िया ऐसी भी होती है जिसके सिर पर काले रंग की कलगी होती है. एक बुलबुल चिड़िया ऐसी भी होती है. One nightingale birds are there जिसके सिर पर काले रंग की, where on the head they will have that crusted on their head, that is crusted on their heads. ऐसे बुलबुल को सिपाही बुलबुल कहते हैं. So that type of bulbul is known as soldier nightingale. सिपाही means soldier nightingale. एक बुलबुल चिड़िया ऐसी भी होती है, that is the such a nightingale birds are there जिसके सिर पर काले रंग का, that is where on their head the black color कलगी होती है, the crest will be there on their head. ऐसे बुलबुल को सिपाही बुलबुल कहते हैं. That type of nightingales are known as soldier nightingale. तभी मैंने एक और सवाल किया. So after that when she said that, Meena asked to Naina one another question. What was that? बुलबुल क्या खाती है? What is that the nightingale eat? नैना ने बताया, बुलबुल पेड़ पर कीड़े ढूंढ कर खाती है. Naina gave the reply, said the answer for that was that bulbul, the nightingale, eat the worms from the trees. बुलबुल पेड़ पर कीड़े ढूंढकर, that is it searches the worms there on the trees and it eats that. और हाँ, हमारी तरह फल और सब्जी भी खाना पसंद करती है. And also one more thing, just like us, it also like to eat the fruits and the vegetables. So what does the nightingale eat? The worms from the trees, as well as it eats the fruits as well as the vegetables, just like us. बुलबुल अपना घोंसला सूखी घास, तिनकों आदि को इकट्ठा करके बनाती है. And how does it make the nest? घोंसला means nest. How does it make? सूखी घास with the dry grass. तिनकों, the straws. आदि को इकट्ठा करके, the bulbul collects all these things, that is the dry grass as well as the straws करके बनाती है. And the nightingale collects all these things and makes the nest. बुलबुल एक बार में 2-3 अंडे देती हैं. And बुलबुल just in a time it lays 2 to 3 eggs. इनके अंडे हल्के गुलाबी रंग के होते हैं. And how will be the egg to be seen? The egg color will be of light rose in color. The egg of this bulbul of the nightingale will be light rose in color. मैंने खुश होते हुए कहा, सच कहा नैना तुमने. So she became very happy. Meena became very happy after hearing that, and she said that yes, it is very true. बुलबुल की पहचान करना बहुत ही आसान है. Why did she say that it is true? That to identify the nightingale is very easy. अब तो मैं भी बुलबुल चिड़िया की पहचान कर सकती हूँ. Even now, what is it? Even she can identify the nightingale bird very easily. नैना मुस्कुराकर बोली. Naina had a laugh, gave a laugh and said, और अब तुम भी अपनी बालकनी में बुलबुल के लिए दाना पानी रखना. So Naina said that even Meena, you in your balcony keep the grain and the water for the bulbul. फिर बुलबुल चिड़िया तुम्हारी भी दोस्त बन जाएगी. If you keep like that, the nightingale bird will become your friend. हाँ जरूर कहते हुए मैं नैना के साथ फिर से खेलने लगी. She said yes surely and they both started to play again. So this chapter is nothing about so important. Here it describes about the nightingale bird. Okay, clear children? That is what all things in this chapter it is said about the nightingale bird, that it is having a high voice, loud voice, and its tail is having red in color, its body part is brown in color and its head part is black in color, and also it doesn't have any fear for the people. And another type of nightingale birds are there which is having crest on their head, and that color will be of black in color. That type of nightingales are known as soldier nightingale. And then what else it is being said over here in this chapter about the nightingale? That is what they eat. The nightingale bird, they eat the worms that they searches from the tree. They eat that, and also just like us, it eats the fruits and the vegetables. And how does it build up its nest? It builds up its nest by using the dry grass and also the straws. It collects all these things and it makes the nest. And what about its eggs? It lays eggs in one time 2 to 3 eggs it lays, and also the eggs color will be of light rose in color. So that is the thing that we need to identify with the nightingale bird, how to identify the bird. So that is what it is describing about in this chapter. So what is the seek, the moral that you are getting from this chapter? बुलबुल की पहचान करना बहुत आसान है. Yes, very true, isn't it? It is very easy to identify a bulbul. Bulbul means nightingale. So clear children? Now as usual, page number 60, underline the difficult words that I have given here on the board. In the textbook itself you need to underline and write down the word meaning. Clear? So these are the meanings. Awaaz, voice. Milwati, meat. Dana, grain. Asan, easy. Poonch, tail. Sharir, body. Bura, brown. Sir, head. Kala, black. Dar, fear. Bulbul, nightingale. Some more words are there. Keede, worms. Dhoondkar, search. Pasand, like. Halke, light. Gulabi, rose. Pani, water. Dost, friend. Khelne, to play. Zarur, sure. So these are the difficult word meaning. You need to underline that in the textbook itself and write down the word meaning. So clear this chapter. With this chapter, as usually, what you will do? Read this for 5 times. Fine children? So for a time being, bye.